I'm pleased to announce that I'll be collaborating with DeAgostini to make this beautiful 1/8 scale Ford GT, as used by Jacky Ickx and Jacky Oliver at the 1969 24-hour Le Mans. Each month I'll get new parts and a fantastic magazine covering the rich history of the car, as well as clear instructions. The kit is officially licensed by both Ford and Gulf. Here you can see some of the beautifully finished metal bodywork. You also start to build up the headlight buckets. These will be fitted into place in a future issue. Part 2 looks at the front right wheel and brake system. You can access the DeAgostini website using the link in the description down below, and if you use the code PROMOGT you'll receive an additional discount. The kit is easy to assemble with the supplied screwdriver and screws, and they even provide you with extra screws in case you lose any. No gluing or painting is required for this kit. Pieces go together with either screws, snap fit, or in some case magnets. I'm really excited about this project and I look forward to sharing the future build parts with you. Thanks very much for watching.